How to delete Instagram account without password. In this short video, I'm going to show you a way to delete your Instagram account even if you've forgotten your password. Okay, so straight into it. First, what you want to do is go to your account on Instagram. Next, click on the three stripes in the top right corner. Next, you want to click on settings. And next, click on help. And next, you want to go to the help center. And in here, so you can search for what you want to do. So click on the search bar and then type in delete. And then just click on the first suggestion there for the delete account. Then click on the first one again, so where it says, how do I delete my Instagram account? Scroll down and then where you can see here in the middle of my page, it's got the link to delete your account, so click on that one. And here it will ask you the reason for why you want to delete your account, so just choose a reason. Something else. Here you see it says you need to re-enter your password, so if you don't know what your password is, just click on the forgot password link. And here you'll need to put in your email address or your username, and it will send you through a login link. And then once you've received that, go through those steps, click on the link, and it will bring you back to your account. And then you can follow those steps again to go to the delete your account page. And then this time when you come back to this page, you'll have a new password. You can put in your password and then you can hit delete and your account will then be deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your Instagram account without your password. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.